Welcome to Africa 54.
Thank you so much, Paul. It's a pleasure to be here.
You are making an impact on the ground, trying to help a lot of young people acquire skills. Let's start there.
For the past 4 years plus, I've been engaging myself together with other young people, in community development, most especially, especially using technology. So our activities cut across, community development, education, and entrepreneurship. I started an organization called Nervtek in 2018, and through this organization, we have been able to impact over 20,000 young Cameroonians and across Africa too, because there are programs that we run that people participate from different African countries because of the impact that we have been able to create in 2018. And after 2 years, we decided to launch education program. So the education program is focused on providing children and young people access to tools that enables them to be innovators, entrepreneurs, and problem solvers. We engage them in digital skill training programs. We teach them on subjects like coding, robotics, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things. These are in-demand skills now in the market.
You're talking about how you've been able to impact a lot of people, especially young people. You've given them skills that are needed as we speak. And when these people come to you, what are their concerns? What is it that they want to learn from your center?
Given that they have that talent and that passion in them, when they come, they are so happy that, I never believed that I could ever see a robot. I never believed that I could ever see a 3D printer. So when they come, they are so passionate, they are so excited, and so curious to get on it, to learn how these things work and how they can build theirs.
What does it take to build like a robot? Do you need special coding skills, computing skills? What is it that you need to be able to do to build a basic robot?
Robotics is a field that cuts across so many other fields. But the primary skills that you need to be a robot, you need to have coding skills. I need to have some creative skills that can enable you to build the mechanical parts of the robot. But once you're able to put code in it, a code is like you're telling it that, okay, move, or maybe jump, or walk, or maybe do this thing. So actually, building a robot requires you to have some technical skills like coding, and also passion and interest also comes in so much, because even if you know the coding but don't have that passion and interest, you may not be able to pay keen attention to to the little things around you that you can use the coding to build a robot that will solve those challenges.
You ask these young people to come up with solutions. They identify a problem, come up with a solution. Are you in a position maybe to name some of those things that people are able to do?
Started by building a 3D printer. Something that we notice around in schools. Schools here still have access to 3D printers. We recycled all printers and photocopiers to build a 3D printer, and it works so well. Right now, we are able to print our own parts using 3D printers. And also, some of the young people who come around in our space here, they have been able to build agricultural robot that can yield. It can be used to till, it can be used to spray the farm and to plant as well. Some of them were able to build medical devices. Most of the times in rural areas or in remote areas, doctors who are in the cities may not be able to move right down to those places. So they made a device that can be used to monitor the vitals of the patient and send remotely to the doctor. Building delivery drones, especially during the COVID when people were indoors, they couldn't move out. These kids thought of building delivery drones.
How do you sustain this business model?
At the beginning of my journey, I never had support. I never had partners. In 2020, I received the Presidential Award in Cameroon for the Best IT Innovation of the Year. I received a grant of $27,000. And in 2021, I received $35,000 from the Future of Candidates for awards that I won in Nigeria. So these are some of the things that I've been able to, to fund and invest in the things that I do. I mentioned the summer program that we have with kids. There's a subscription fee, registration fee that they pay to attend. but we don't make it too high because we know the situation around. So we just make it such a way that people can be serious and engage in the activity.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. It was such a pleasure sharing this with you.